Bob, it was a little sweaty at Friday Fest, but all things considered, pretty nice weather.
Yeah, it really was, considering the alternative, which we've been seeing, afternoon showers and thunderstorms and lightning, which can cancel those things. But not tonight. It was a good crowd, too, a good showing there. The Van Wezel webcam, speaking of that, Friday Fest, a great occurrence right there. And you can see we had some inland storms, quite a bit of inland storms, but not much going on near the coast. And that's 2 days in a row now. We've seen that kind of a pattern. And we're going to see it again tomorrow with a chance for a few morning showers near the coast and then the main focus inland. Some photos sent in tonight from Friday Fest. Cindy Desmond was there on hand. Cindy always sending some great photos. And this one shows the crowd and the Van Wezel, and notice that towering cumulonimbus in the background there. And then this one, Norm Schimmel, always a nice shot right there after the sun was just about ready to go down there at Sarasota Bay. And Jay Riggs on hand as well on the bay. A lot of folks turned out for that. And Bob Bushman enjoying a nice day. His birthday today, 52 years old. I want to show you that. He's a contributor to pics at mysuncoast.com, as all the other ones are there as well. Happy birthday, Bob. We have showers and storms around now into the south of us, into the east of us right now, but not much going on right here. All is fairly quiet and should stay that way through much of the overnight. And what's happened is this trough has come down. It's shifted things a little bit. There's still another one beyond this, and the high pressure has been pushed down to the south. And with that in mind, the wind's rotating around it in this clockwise fashion brings us the west to southwesterly wind component, which does occasionally cause showers and storms to move more toward the east coast. And the same scenario setup allows us to see a land breeze develop and brings a few showers right near the coast during the morning hours. Now, the main precipitation was well inland. Look at some of these rainfall totals, well over an inch, 3 inches there in portions of Manatee, Sarasota, and into DeSoto County and near Lakewood Ranch just to the east of the town center. There are 2 inches of rain. Well, a lot more rain down here to the south. The computer forecast models still differ. The European is suggesting that this particular disturbance will move more on a northwesterly course, taking it in toward Texas and Mexico. That's the European model. This is the United States model here, the GFS, which puts it more off toward the north, and it doesn't make landfall or get close to us as far as the center goes, so it wouldn't be a big windstorm if it does follow this path, but it would bring 3 to 5 inches of rainfall, and that would cause some flooding problems on Monday and Tuesday. But in the Atlantic, there's another system. This one looking rather healthy, a lot of rotation, a lot of circulation with it. The chances for it to develop in the next 2 days, 60% chance in the next 2 to 5 days, and it's going to race off to the northwest. And as far as the spaghetti models go, all of them kind of agree that it's going to stay in this westerly course and then eventually turn more to the northwest once it gets into the Caribbean. But it bears watching. The next name's up, Brett and Cindy. Brett and Cindy. We'll see which one gets the first name there as far as the Brett storm goes. 77 now. We have a few clouds around, and the dew point temperature at 71. The high today was a couple degrees below average because of that west wind at 86, or normal high at 89 degrees. And 0.05 of an inch of rainfall at the Sarasota Bradenton Airport. Temperatures in the upper 70s up and down the coast right now, in some cities like Southgate at 78, and also Northport now at 77, Rotunda at 78 degrees. And the forecast tomorrow does call for a few showers and a few storms in the afternoon, and mainly, as I said, east of I-75. Winds out of the south, not much wind out there, 5 to 10 knots. A light chop in the bays at inland waters. The water temp 85 degrees. It's starting to heat up, and then tides upcoming for Sarasota Bay look like this. The next tide is a low tide at 131 and a high at 741. Tonight, just a 30% chance for some showers developing overnight, and we'll see southwest winds, so it'll stay warm. And then partly cloudy, a few isolated showers along the coast in the morning, and then inland storms in the afternoon. The extended forecast, a lot of question marks on Monday and Tuesday. It really depends upon which way that storm goes, but if it heads up the East Gulf, we'll see a lot better chance for showers and storms Monday, Tuesday, and even into Wednesday.